Hello amazing people, welcome friends. Let's dive into this video. Our goal is to determine the numerical value of this statement. 8 divided by 8 over 18, then times 18. First we do this multiplication. 8 over 18 times 18. We can easily cancel this 18 and this 18. So here we have this 8 only, and 8 divided by 8 equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So we have to do this division first, then this multiplication. If you do this multiplication then this division, it's wrong. So we have to do this division first. 8 divided by 8 over 18. To do this division, write down the 8, then change division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 18 over 8. And here again we have times 18. Now we have this new problem. First we do this multiplication. We can easily cancel this 8 and this 8, which gives 18. And here again we have times 18. So here we have this 18 times 18, which equals 324. And this is our final answer to this problem. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumb up and subscribe.